Most agents in the wild right now are heavily reliant upon RAG techniques as proxy reasoners. This effort makes the error of treating every problem like a search problem. If this isn't such a good approach, why is it so popular? To answer this question, it's helpful to review a very brief history of RAG development. It started with a simple problem. I want my computer to understand natural language. Researchers took a large corpora of natural language and represented chunks of it, tokens, as vectors in an embedding space. And after a few decades of pushing on this wall, that wall gave way and we had the LLM revolution. Almost immediately, people thought, this is great. It knows everything on the internet, but it doesn't know my private data. So we created RAG. Then we needed to index the retrieved chunks to sort out what was relevant to a particular query. Initially, we thought most any of the chunks in the index would probably help, but it turns out that the structure and ordering of what we retrieved matters just as much as what we fed to the LLM. So bringing in too much fluff and you drown out the answer. Bring in mismatched data and the LLM hallucinates. So researchers began to ask, what's the optimal way to slice, store, and select the information from the index? This question led to a wave of work in query rewriting, dense and hybrid retrievals, retrieval re-ranking, and chunk selection optimization, all trying to answer the same question: how do I get the right pieces of hay from this haystack?